My name is A. Rosara Venturas. I am studying in 9th standard. I am from Providence Convent School, Ralimalai. This is our project. Our project is about smart irrigation technology and bird detection alarm.
I am S. Melvi Merari from 9th standard.
I am S. Juris from 9th standard.
I am L. Neojason from 9th standard.
I am K. Urada from 9th standard. Our team name is Irrigation Engineers.
Objectives of our projects are to save water by using it only when the soil is dry, to reduce farmer workload by making irrigation automatic, to protect crops from birds and animals using an alarm system, to promote smart farming using simple technology.
The materials we used in our project are water pipes, breadboard, Arduino, buzzer, battery, water tanks with a mini motor, IR sensor, LED bulbs, laser light and soil water sensor.
Why do we have to choose this project? Farmers waste a lot of water by over irrigating. Manual watering takes more time and labor. Crops may get damaged if water is delayed. Birds and animals often enter the farm and damage the crops.
Now I am going to explain how our project works. This is soil moisture sensor, checks the water level in the soil. Soil is dry. When the soil is dry, the pumps turn on and water flows to the crops. Now I switch on. The water flows to the crops. Soil becomes wet, so the pump stops automatically. IR sensor. When the bird or animals enters the farm, the alarm starts to scare them away. Now the animal enters to the farm. The alarm on to scare them away.
Message on our project. Smart irrigation saves water, protect crops and build us a better future.
Thank you.
Thank you.